What is up, Pokemon fans? We are back with our final part of this booster box opening here. We got our final 9 packs here. 1, 2, 3. Backwards pack. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's see what that backwards pack might hold for us. Okay. First pack of the day keeps the, I don't know. Keeps the EXs at bay. I don't know. Alright, we got a Manectric, Energy, Skyfield, Pikachu, Wurmple, Bagon, Binacle, Blagger, Reverse Nincada, and a Dragonite Reverse. Dragonite Hollow. Regular rare. What am I doing saying hollow? Alright, first pack I meant. Starting off with the hollow card. With the... Oh man, I can't even speak right now. Alright. Second pack. Three cards in the front. And we have got a Winona, Unpheasant, Electrode, Wurmple, Dunsparce, Spearow, Natu, Nincada, Tranquil Reverse, and a Beautyfly. So that wasn't all the hollows that we had. Interesting. Okay. Well, Beautyfly hollow. Maybe these last 7 packs will do us some good. Hopefully. Alright. Here is number 3, I guess. Alright. 3 cards to the front. Before we do that, here's a code for you guys. Enjoy that code. Okay, we got Altaria, Executor. Ooh, there's another trainer's mail. Oh yeah. Bagon, Nincada, P-Dove, Dunsparce, Voltorb, Execute, and a Togekiss rare. Alright, here's a backwards pack. It is a Dustox. Let's see what this can get us. Three in the front. We got a Healing Scarf, Dragonair, Executor, Fletchling, Pikachu, P-Dove, Bagon, Taillow, Reverse Rare, Togekiss. That is a hollow rare. And a Klefki. Alright. 5 more packs. 4 packs after this. Okay. Let's see what we can get. So, oh yeah. Okay. Alright. 3 cards to the front, and we got a Gliscor, Switch, Tropius, Wingull, Binacle, Pikachu, Inkay, Meowth, Ninjask Reverse, and a Spearow. Skarmory. Why did I say Spearow? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more packs left, guys. Oh no, we're down to the wire. Hopefully we can pull more EXs, or this will be a horrible box. Yeah, we did get a Inkay. Inkay. What the hell am I saying? Inkay's right here. We did get a Shaymin, but hey, man. Okay. Manectric, Mega Turbo, Tropius, Inkay, Binacle, Halucha, Cascoon, Meowth, P-Dove, and the rare is a Bayonet. Oh no, this is gonna be a bad box, I think. 3 packs. Here we go. Oops. Things just flying left and right here. Okay. 3 cards to the front. We got Steven, Silcoon, Healing Scarf, Swablu, Voltorb, Togepi, Shuppet, Spearow, a special energy, that's nice. And a Auto. Oh no, this is gonna be a bad box. We're not gonna get our full art Shaymin. Here's another code for you guys. Alright, enjoy that code. 2 packs. See if we can get 2 more EXs out of this box at least. Okay. 3 cards to the front. And we have got a Winona, Unpheasant, Electrode, Spearow, Natu, Nincada, Gligar, Voltorb, Reverse Pelipper, and a full art Gladiax. Not the full art that I want to get. Okay, so we did get another full art. That's good. But we are hoping to get the Shaymin full art again. Last pack, guys. Let's see what we can get. Maybe we can get another Shaymin full art. Let's hope. 3 cards to the front. Alright, so we got a Rayquaza Spirit Link, Electrode, Dragonair, Tailo, Electric, Bagon, P-Dove, Nincada, Reverse Dragonite Hollow Ancient Trait, and the final rare is a Shedinja. So no, this is a pretty bad box, I would say. So Glade EX full art and a Shaymin, a Beautifly. Man, I'm thinking about Shaymin too much. Well, we did manage to get a baby Shaymin in the first part, so that's good. And let's see how much. Well, I don't know. I put everything away, so I don't know. But I'm pretty sure we got like maybe 5 EXs, 2 full arts, 3 regular EXs maybe. But that's that's like a bad box. 7 or more is like a really good box. So yeah. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this booster box opening. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.